Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Rama Agus Dwi Pamungkas from Pradi Pendidikan Matematika semester 2. Here I am present about tenses. These tenses are changed in the form of the verb to express an action that is influenced by time. However, there are so many it is not uncommon for people to think that tenses are English material, which is quite difficult to apply. Usually, this is because someone is to focus on memorizing the formula for making sentence in each type of tenses. In fact, to understand the formula, you can learn from the main characteristic of each tenses, such as when they can be used. Once you understand that, it will be easier to make correct English sentence in various types of tenses. 1. Simple present tense. The simple present tense is the most commonly used to tenses in everyday life. Usually, the simple present tense is used to express fact, tell an event or a habit that is happening in the present. The formula used to form the simple present tense: subject plus verb 1, present form. Uh, Example: positive. They speak Korean very well. Example of negative sentence: they don't speak Korean. Example: question sentence: do they speak Korean? 2. Present continuous tense. In contrast to the simple present tense, the present continuous tense is used to tell an ongoing even when you speak. In addition, this tense can also be used to tell plans in the future. For this tense, there is a change in the form of the verb by adding ing at the end. One of the adverbs of time that is often used in this tense is now. Formula: subject plus I'm, is, are plus verb ing. Example sentence are as follow. Example positive sentence: she is working on her homework now. Example negative sentence: she is not working on her homework now. Example question sentence: is she working on her homework now? Example to tell future plans: Mark is moving to a new school next month. 3. Present perfect tense. General, the present perfect tense is a tense to tell an action or action that is in progress or has just been completed. Oh yes, remember that the present perfect tense tends to emphasize the impact of an action that has been completed. Of course, that impact must still be felt today. Formula: subject plus has or have plus verb T, past particle form. Or is our example sense. Example positive sentence: they have seen the movie Spider-Man No Way Home. Example for negative sentence: they have not seen the movie Spider-Man No Way Home. Example for question sentence. Have they seen the movie Spider-Man No Way Home? For present perfect continuous tense. The present perfect continuous tense is used to show an action that was completed at a point in the past and is still continuing today. How? You must be able to understand it easily, right? Formula subject plus has or have plus been plus verb in continuous form. Example positive, I have been thinking about it. Example negative, I have not been thinking about it. Example question, have I been thinking about it? 5. Simple past tense. You're right, this simple past tense is the opposite of the simple present tense. In this case, the simple past tense is used to tell an event, habit, state of fact, or situation that happened in the past. This sentence, the second or past tense of the verb are verbs of time that are commonly used in this. These are yesterday, 2 days ago, and many more. Formula subject plus verb to. Example positive, they called their friends yesterday. Example negative, they did not call their friends yesterday. Example question, did they call their friends yesterday? 6. Past continuous tense. Slightly more complex according to its function, past continuous tense is a form of tense to tell events that are happening in the past. However, not only one, past continuous tense can also be used to tell to events that were happening in the past. So, there is one activity accompanied by another activity. Commonly used formula subject plus was or were plus verb in continuous form. Example positive, I was washing my clothes when the phone rang. Example negative, I was not washing my clothes when the phone rang. Example question, was I washing my clothes when the phone rang? 7. Past perfect tense. Formula subject plus had plus verb 3. Past particle form. Example positive, the girl had cried before her mother came. Example negative, the girl had not cried before her mother came. Example question, had the girl cried before her mother came? 8. Past perfect continuous tense. Formula subject plus had plus been plus verb in continuous form. Example for positive, she had been studying math all day. Example negative, she had not been studying math all day. Example question, had she been studying math all day? 9. Simple future tense. Formula subject plus will or be going to plus verb 1 present form. Example positive, she will come to the cinema tomorrow. Example negative, she will not come to cinema tomorrow. Example question, will she come to the cinema tomorrow? 10. Future continuous tense. Formula subject plus will plus be plus verb in continuous form. Example positive, he will be playing basketball in the playground tomorrow morning. Example negative, he will not be playing basketball in the playground tomorrow morning. Example question. Will he be playing basketball in the playground tomorrow morning? 11. Form future perfect tense. Formula subject plus will have plus verb 3 past particle verb. Example for positive. I will have finished my homework by tomorrow. Example negative. I will not have finished my homework by tomorrow. Example question. Will she have finished her homework by tomorrow? 12. Future perfect continuous tense. Formula subject plus will plus have plus been plus verb ing. Formula. The example positive. In December, I will have been working at my company for 1 year. Example negative. I will not have been working at my company for 1 year in December. Example question. In December, will you have been working at your company for 1 year? 30. Simple past future tense. Formula subject plus was plus bar infinite or subject plus was or were plus going to plus bar infinity. Example, she would forgive you, or Giselle was going to give on beautiful bag to her best friend. 40. Past future continuous tense. Formula subject plus word plus be plus verb ing. Example, I would be studying at your house yesterday, but I didn't because I got sick. 50. Past future 15. Past future perfect tense. Formula subject plus word plus have plus verb 3. Example, Mina would have finished her homework if she had gone shopping. And last, past future perfect continuous tense. Formula subject plus verb plus have been plus verb ing. Example, I would have been working in leading companies for 6 years. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.